let's calculate the 60% of 30. But we will use the shorter method on how to find for the percentage of a given number. If the percentage and the number is divisible by 10, or the last digit ends in 0, what we will just do is multiply the non-zero numbers. So we have 6 times 3, so that is now equal to 18. So 60% of 30 is equal to 18. And we have 40% of 70. Just multiply 4 times 7, so that is 28. And 20% of 90, that will now be 18. 2 times 9, we got 18. And the last one, 30% of 60, 3 times 6, we have 18. The next number here is a percentage that is not divisible by 10. So what we will do is we will use this percentage as our reference for us to get the 22% of 50 mentally. So what we will do is factorize 22% using these numbers. And we can factor this out by using the 10%, another 10% to make it 20, and then we have 1% plus 1% to complete the 22. And the 10% of 50 is 5, and the 1% of 50 is 0.5. We will just add, since we have 2 tens here, so that will become 5 times 2, or 5 plus 5. And we have 1% is 0.5 plus 0.5. So let's add this. That will now become 11. So 22% of 50 is equal to 11. Next number, we have 31% of 70. Let's factorize 31%, and that is 3 tenths. Okay, 3 tenths. 10% of 70 is 7. 1% of 70, that will be 0.7, because we still have 1% there to complete the 31%. And then let's add. So 7 plus 7 plus 7, or 7 times 3 plus 0.7, 7, 14, 21.7. And that's the 31% of 70. Next, we have 8% of 90. We know that we need 1 5 and 3 1s. So 5% of 90. Of course, we know that 10% of 90 is 9. Therefore, 5% half of 9 is 4.5. And 1% of 90, so that will become 0.9. So we have 4.5 and plus 0.9 plus 0.9 plus 0.9. So there are 3.9s there. So 9, 18, 27 plus 5, 32. Carry 3, so that is 7.2. So 8% of 90 is 7.2.